Now we are going to see how to divide the given line segment in the given ratio. Here, if you observe the first question in 11.1 of the chapter constructions, they are asking about divide a line segment of 7.6 centimeters in the ratio of 5:8. Divide a line segment of length 7.6 centimeters in the ratio of 5:8. First of all, take the line segment of given length. How much they said? 7.6. First draw a line segment of length 7.6. After that, name it as line segment AB. It is of 7.6 centimeters. Now, draw a ray making an acute angle at the point A, like this. We have to draw a ray making an acute angle. You can take any acute angle. Draw the ray like this. And this is the ray AX. Now take your compass of convenient radius. You can take any radius, but you can choose as much small as possible. Okay. And now observe the given ratio. The given ratio they given as we have to divide in the ratio 5:8. That's what they are asking. Here 5:2 ratio means one side we should have 5 parts of total length and 8 parts on the second side. Then total together, total how many parts here? 5 plus 8, 13. Now take your compass of convenient radius. Okay, suitably take as much small as possible. Like this I am taking. Now A as center. Locate 13 points. Why? Because the ratio they given 5:8. Here 5 plus 8 is 13. That means on AX we have to locate 13 points at equidistant. For that purpose I am taking this much radius only and take A as center. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And name the points as it is A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7, A8, A9, A10, A11, A12 and A13. Now join B and this last point A13. Now if you observe, here we got a triangle ABA13, otherwise AA13 B triangle. You know basic proportionality theorem well. What it is saying, if we draw a line parallel to any side of the triangle, that always intersects the other two sides in the same ratio. Based on that theorem, now I am going to draw a line parallel to this A13B side. A13B side. Where we have to draw that parallel line? For that, observe the ratio. What is the ratio given? 5:8. That means at fifth point starting from A. That means it represents 5 parts of this line. And at this point we have to draw a line parallel to this A13B. If you draw a line parallel to this like this, that means here already we know the ratio at point A5 is nothing but 5 parts, remaining is 8 parts. Then 5:8. As per BPT theorem, whenever we finish the parallel line for this, definitely here wherever this parallel line intersect this AB, that is also in the same ratio 5:8. That's why now where we have to draw a parallel line at point A5. Why? Because in 5:8 at 5 parts of the line. Here from A to A13 we are having total 13 parts, 13 equal parts. In that we have to take first 5 parts here. That means A5. Then how to draw a line parallel to this BA13 at the point A5, means passing through this point A5 and should be parallel to A13B. How to draw means just observe here, very simple. Take your compass and you can take of any radius. Okay, this much I am taking. Now keep your compass at A3, put your compass at A3, okay, and draw arc like this, and draw arc like this. Okay, draw arc like this. It is touching this line AX ray and this BA13. And if you observe, this is the arc intersecting these two lines here and here. And without changing that radius, at what point we have to draw the parallel line? Now keep your compass at that point, means A5. Again draw one more arc like this. Okay, here draw arc like this without changing that radius. Okay, from here to here like this. Got it? Now go to that point, this arc. Here A13 as center, we drawn this arc. Now measure this arc by compass, by keeping compass here and up to this, wherever this arc intersecting that A13B like this. Okay, you can adjust the compass according to the measurement. Okay, now with that radius, with this radius, now put your compass here where the arc intersecting this AX here. Here we drawn one arc na. That arc is intersecting this line at this point somewhere. Keep your compass there and draw an arc like this, intersecting like this. Now draw a line passing through this intersecting point and this A5. Draw a line like this that intersect this AB somewhere here. Okay. Now I am drawing. This is the line. Wherever that line intersects this AB, name it the point as C. Name it as C. Now, if you want to check whether you get the parallel line or not, take your compass, a protractor, measure the angle at this point. How to keep? Just keep this intersecting of these two lines starting at 0, means this line should coincide with this line and this point should match here wherever you want to find the angle, and it should lies on this horizontal line, should be on this line like this, and measure the angle. It is here I got approximately 30 point something. Okay. Then see here like that. Keep your protractor here also. Here also you are having 31 point something. Okay. If you draw exactly you will get it. Okay. With the slight differences, maybe 0.5 like that. But if you draw neatly, I can get the correct value. Now this is the parallel line. Now observe, try to measure. In the question they are asking, after intersection measure the length also. Here I got 2.9, that means approximately 3. And here I got 4.8 and 9, in between 4.8 and 9. 4.8, suppose if you take 4.8, in the top we are having 3 and 4.8, nothing but 30 by 48. 30 by 48 means if you cancel with the 6 table, 6 5 are 30, 6 8 are 48, 5 by 8. That means yes, we got exact value. Here I got AC as 3 centimeters I got, and here I got 4.8 centimeters. Now find the ratio, whether you got 5:8 or not, means 3 by 4.8. How much? If you remove the decimal, you got 30 by 48. 6 5s are 6 8s are 5 by 8. Got it? This is the way of intersecting the given line segment in the given ratio. See once again, here the question they given, intersect the line segment AB of length 7.6 they given in the question in the ratio 5:8. For that purpose, first what we have to draw? We have to draw a line segment AB of length 7.6 by using your scale. Okay. Next, at A, draw an acute angle. Means at A, you have to draw a ray making an acute angle at this point. Acute angle means you can take any angle. Means if you want, you can draw the line. If you want, you can draw the ray like this also, no problem. It is also acute angle only. Okay, like this also. That is your choice. You know, acute angle means approximately like this or like this up to 90. Perpendicular means 90. In between 90 to this 0, anywhere you can take, that is your choice. After drawing the ray making an acute angle at A, now observe the given ratio 5:8. Then total parts 5 plus 8 is 13. That means you have to locate 13 points starting from A on this X. How to locate? Just take your compass of any radius. Better take as much small radius as possible like this, and take A as center. Draw the arcs like this, and keep one point. While doing this construction, keep your pencil sharp. Like this you can do 13. You have to locate 13 points. Okay, for understanding I am showing by bending the compass, but actually you have to keep the compass straight like this. For clarity purpose I am showing like this. Okay, like this. Here draw one more arc like that. 13. Okay, after drawing 13, now what we have to do? We have to apply basic proportionality theorem. As per basic proportionality theorem only this construction is possible. That means, what basic proportionality theorem is saying? If a line drawn parallel to any one side of the triangle, that intersect the other two sides in the same ratio. Here already on AX we are having 13 partitions up to this A13. And if we are able to draw a line parallel to this A13B, then that line, whenever this is the line parallel to this side, means definitely as per BPT it divides these two lines or two sides. For example, if you take this as a triangle, in the same ratio. For that purpose already here we are having equal measurements like this. A1, A1, A2, A2, A3 means the distance from A to A1 is same as A1 to A2, A2 to A3. Okay, that's why here A point A5 means, if you consider from A to A13, from A to A5 it represents 5 parts. Okay, if you consider from A to A13 as one side of the triangle, then the point A5, distance from A to A5, it represents 5 parts of this total segment. Okay, and remaining 8 parts. Okay, that's why we have to draw a line parallel to this BA13 and passing through A5. That is the reason why should I took A5. Okay, is it clear? Now, how to draw the line parallel to this side? First, take your compass and A13 as center of any radius. You can take any radius. Keep the compass here and draw one arc like this. Okay, it is intersecting both the sides like this, here and here. Without changing this radius, keep this compass at A5, draw one more arc like this only. Okay, if you draw the arc like this, you get the arc like this. After that, now take your compass and measure the length of the arc like this here, and you can adjust your compass like this for measuring this angle like this. And with this, after measuring here, take this, and here we drawn one arc. Now put your compass here and intersect the same arc. Okay, and wherever the two arcs intersecting, draw a line from A5 to that point, passing through this point. If we extend that one, it intersect this AB side. Let it be C, and measure the length of AC and BC. Here for me I got it is 3. Here I got 4.8. You may get different numbers. It is not mandatory you also to get 3 and 4.8. You may get any combination, but after finding the ratio, means if you take 3 by 4.8, exactly I got 5 by 8. You may get some other different numbers, but very slight difference is acceptable, but not too much. Okay, suppose you may get 3.2 by here you may get 4.6. Okay, 0.5 it is acceptable, no need to worry about it. This is the way of dividing the given line segment in the given ratio. After completing, you have to write the steps of construction. Steps of construction is very simple, nothing but what you did, you have to write in words, that's it. First what we did, draw a line segment of length AB equal to 7.6 centimeters. After that what we did, draw a ray making an acute angle at A. That's it. Next what we did, we located 13 points on X at equidistance. Locate 13 points on the ray AX with equal distance, like A1 equal to A1, A2, like that, okay. After that what we did, draw a line parallel to B A13, otherwise A13B at at A5. And after that, wherever this parallel line intersect AB, name it as C, and measure length of AC and BC. If we find the ratio AC by BC, we got 5/8 or 5:8. Like that you have to write the construction steps. Is it clear? Thank you.